Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
I'm Mr. D
I am Zoe.
and today we're gonna unbox something for your kitchen.
So let's go
to the unboxing. So,
of course I can't do it with the first try. Lots of wrapping.
what it is? It's like
Oh my god!
it's like a snake.
It's a box in a box. And it's a Kenwood can opener.
It's a Kenwood can opener.
It's supposed to open all the tins, sizes, shapes.
I wanted to surprise Zoe. I'm sure this specific model has a knife sharpener.
Yes, it does. Oh my god, it opens bottles too.
So you can open everything with this.
I will try. Let's go to the product. We've got our instructions. Quick, go at them. Yeah. Wrong way.
Alright. So you have
Easy.
the instructions. So
It does sharpen knives, yes. I will try that too.
it has a plastic thing or a metal thing that opens. You will see on the
We
device.
shall see and try. Cardboard.
Is it heavy?
Not really, actually. Cardboard.
Okay, this is the part that does the things.
Yep.
Okay. And let's
go to the
reveal.
reveal. I'm pretty sure I've got it the wrong way around. Yes, I do. Here we can see our knife sharpener.
Yes. But the main.
We can actually tidy the wire when we're not using it too. I like that. And
So we have this system here that allows you to open
cans.
various type of cans.
I would think I have to read the instructions first. Yeah. Well, I've got a surprise here. Look. I have a can opener.
Yeah, and you have a bottle opener.
Oh, yeah, I said can opener. Yeah, sorry. It's a bottle opener. We will go back to that and try it. So, let's see. Of course I was trying to put it in the wrong way around, was I? How surprising is that? So, this is the correct way, and it goes down.
Okay, it goes down. Okay.
Yes, I am actually looking at the instructions.
So, this thing here is a magnet. Most of the containers that they have something like that inside, they are from magnetic metal. So let's see if it stays there first of all. If you put it there.
Oh my god. Oh.
Yep.
Wow, no it doesn't.
Yes, you put it on the spot to open it. Of course, it's not gonna hold the whole can
It would help if we actually powered it on.
Yeah.
Let's go do that.
So it's power on time. So let's go to that.
Yes, because Zoe was thinking the magnet would be strong enough.
Yeah, the magnet is strong enough, but what you do is you bring the blade under there to hold the container in place. And now we're gonna power it on and see how easy it is to open it.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, and when you press down with your hand, it's gonna start.
I'm just gonna have my hand here just for safety reasons.
Okay, let's see. Be ready. Yep, leave it, let it go.
It doesn't fall.
So it holds the container in place.
Yeah. And now
the top is gonna stay in place.
Oh. Well, maybe we need a mess, but can is open real nice.
Yep.
You are not fighting with the top to get it out.
Yep.
That I always do.
And
This tastes nice.
And let's test another type of.
We're going for fruits again because that's what we have. I am going to open it the wrong way round because
doesn't matter. That's what we have. So let's see again on this one.
Take 2. Let's see. Oh.
Yeah, let's put the magnet in place. And
Let's stay in there and let's go.
If it's not at the right place, it doesn't power on.
Yes. I've got it there. Maybe it doesn't like because it does have a slightly different. Yeah, it likes it though.
And you can let it run all day if you want, like a carousel. So, the secret to make it work and hold the container up there is to put the blade that cuts the container
Literally
inside
here.
Inside there, and it holds the whole thing in place. So let's lift it. I believe that's why you can detach the thing, not to make a mess. If you want to, if you push it out, the plastic out.
Oh yeah.
You don't make a mess.
This magnet is quite strong.
Yes. So we tested 2 type of containers.
Yeah.
And we're gonna try the following days to open some more stuff to show you guys. So next day we're gonna open a different container. Yes. That's it. So
easy.
So easy. And the top stays on the machine. And you can use your device. We have a quite dull knife. We can show you.
So this is my knife. Let's see how it does.
Yep.
Oh my god.
What do you got? You started from one side and you go across. What are you doing? Hold it.
As you can tell, I have no idea how to sharpen knives.
Yep, I see already.
Oh yeah.
You did something to the blade. Yes. I believe. I know we didn't test it, but we can reassure you that
yes,
this is way sharper than it was before.
Yeah, I know my knives. That
Okay.
looks sharper. I just have no clue how to.
And then, guys, I know because you don't want to see a very long video, we're just gonna open a bottle
Yeah.
to show you the other feature of this device. And let's test the bottle opener.
Yeah, me and my hand. Yeah, definitely does.
Yes, so you have a combination of 3 useful things you can do inside your kitchen. Let me try to turn the camera to see. So you have 3 useful things you can do inside your kitchen. You can open containers from steel. You can open your bottles,
Yes, you can.
and you can sharp your knives in one device. We will see how it goes, but it's a learning pattern to figure out how you attach the
The cans, yeah. First time, obviously, I failed, but like second, third time, I got it right. So you just need to do it a couple of times to figure out. Like on the lip of, I'll try to show you without spilling everything. Here, the lip of this literally goes. Let me open it so you can actually see. You literally put it on here.
Yes, and this
And
blade,
then the blade, obviously,
this
where
blade
we
goes
showed,
in the front.
literally.
Yes.
So maybe it will take you a couple of times to try, but when you actually figure out how exactly to put it there, it does do the job so much easier
And faster.
and faster, yeah. And no fiddling around with the like normal ones that halfly open cans.
So this is the unboxing of the Kenwood can opener,
Yep.
knife sharpener, and bottle opener. 3 in 1. It's an electric device. We really appreciate your feedback, your comments. If you like, subscribe to our channel. We buy all this stuff from our own money. So if you want to help the channel, just subscribe or like the video.
Like and subscribe.
And thank you very much for watching. This is Mr. D.
This is Zoe.
And have a good evening.
Good evening, guys.
Bye.
Bye.